guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Pretty cool. Sorry, I'm so thirsty. I just did Instacart. So I ordered about 5 things. I was so mad because I ended up spending almost $70. $70, and I just wanted some grapes. Because you know you got to make it worth their while and yours. So I'm like, well, I might as well get this. I might as well get that. And before I know it, I'm up to $70. And I tipped her too. So it's all good. Whatever. But my point is, though, you got to go to the grocery store. You got to go, you know, by the time you do all that, I don't know how much people in Instacart make. I don't know. Instacart, Uber Eats. Now, I know my sister used to do Uber Eats for a minute. No, not Uber Eats. I think she did Uber. I'm gonna have to confirm that. I want to say she did Uber. Because I remember her talking about her shoulder hurt, and that's why I'm doing that. If you're not watching on the camera, I remember her doing like her shoulder was hurting. I kind of remember that. Because from all the driving. And your shoulder can hurt actually from doing your notarizations, I'll be honest. At one time, my hand was hurting. Now, it wasn't just from notarizations. I was doing a lot of, when I first got on YouTube, trying to answer every single question and every single everything, and I couldn't keep up with that pace. I could not. So anyway, we'll talk about that in my other business when I get there. Creators Club with Kimmi, how to do YouTube and not hurt your fingers, okay? Because you just can't keep up. You cannot. What questions do we have? I see we have a lot of new people. So we'll talk a little bit about the, thank you for liking the video. I appreciate it. Like it for me, people. Let's talk a little bit about the mentorship program. So we do have the $27. A lot of people still asking me questions. I don't care. I talk about it every day. People are still like, wait a minute, you mean for $27, I can watch your 5 main courses and come to mentorship meetings every week, live with you, Kimmi, or Alexis, or someone teaching? Correct. Every week. So we meet together weekly, and then if you pay the $47, you get access to all 17 courses, 16 or 17. I can't remember, but the field inspection, apostilles, all of it, okay? And then those sessions are weekly. We meet together with the $27 people. Everybody meet together, one big family. And then you have access to the chat too, the chat. So don't go ahead and ask your questions. Do not be shy. This is a good time if you have questions about the membership. How does it work? How does our community work? This is a good time. Any questions about the business while I'm here live? I will show you our Start Your Notary Business books. Boop, 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 boop. If you've not seen them yet. If you're starting a business, every state has their own book. Okay? Every state. I just happen to have a few of them here. But this book is a very quick read. Will teach you everything you can do with the notary business. Some basic marketing tips. Everything you need to get started. Then from there, because most people say, well, how do I get started? Get your commission, get that book for your state, then double back for us, and we'd love to have you a mentorship. And these are the journals that I created. I just love the journals. So there are 15 of them you can choose from. I usually show you the purple one, but I'm gifting it to my sister because she really wants the purple. And she's starting her business, so she's moving a little slower than I would like her to. I hope she's not watching. But, you know, she's working like most people. Yes, Paula L. Moore. Yes, the $27 is back. It's back. Welcome. Yes, it's back. Yep. So we went back to the $27. So what happened, short version, because I know y'all like him is flip-flopping. I don't flip-flop. Y'all know I'm pretty stable. But what happened was I had a lot of people when they were signing up for 27, they would say, oh no, I really want to get the access to the group. I really want to do this. I really want to do apostilles. I want to do fingerprinting and field inspection and all this. So I said, well, okay. I said, well, you know what? I'm all about simplicity. So I'm like, if y'all really need the $27, we'll just get rid of it, right? Jeffrey never wanted me to. Thank you, Paula. Yeah, he never wanted me to get rid of it. He was like, no, Kim, you should keep it. You should keep it. And he put in, he might have said Kimberly. I don't know. When he said Kimberly, I get like, ooh, okay, you're in trouble. But anyway, he was like, no, I think you should keep it. I said, well, no, everybody's asking me for the 47. So he was like, no, I think you should keep it. So I took it off the website. Sure enough, about 3 days later, somebody reached out. They said, hey, Kimmi, I really want to be in your program. I really do, but I cannot find the $27 on the website anymore. And I was like, oh, no. So I told them we'd get it back up there. And we did. We did. We got it back up there. And little did I know, more people were interested. I guess it's funny when you take something away, then people are like, wait a minute, I wanted that. I wanted that. But, you know, move kind of slow. And me, I like simplicity. So I'm like, well, it's easier to run than two. And it's actually not hard running both of them because I'm able to, just upload the information from one to the other. So it's really not complicated running two programs. And it's not two programs. It's one program. You just have 2 points of entry. You can start off at 27 because what a lot of people do, they do start at the 27. I'm finding that people love the $27 one. And I ain't mad at you. But they start at the 27 and then they upgrade to the 47 because they either want access to the additional courses or they want to be a part of the live chat that happens every day. So, yeah. So, yes, Paula, it's back. It's back. So, hopefully we'll see you tonight. We're doing field inspections tonight. The session is about field inspections. So, if you're interested in doing field inspections, you feel more than happy to come and join us tonight, okay? Live training. And actually one of our family members, our community family members is teaching. Yes. Angela Brown is teaching tonight. I'm so excited about that. That's something we've been doing the last couple months. So our students are doing so well that now I can actually ask them to come and teach. They can teach on the platform. So, it's a big deal for me. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Nose is kind of itching. I have so many allergies, y'all. So we got a lot of people that have joined. So yeah, $27 membership is back and we are live tonight. Join us tonight at 7 Eastern. If you miss it, the replay is available for the startup plan and for the all-inclusive plan, of course. So you still get access to it if you miss it, okay? And you get access to 90% of the replays on the $27 plan. A few of them just aren't applicable. So we took those out, but everything that you need is right there, literally. It even includes marketing templates. If you need to do a business card, a notary resume, everything is included in both memberships. I was going to take that out, and I said no, because I'm all about this year, everybody winning. I'm telling you, I've been saying that all year, each one. I've been saying no more excuses for this year. No more excuses next year, too, because our membership is going to get even bigger. I know it. I already feel it. So I had some salty fish. Actually, it wasn't salty, but whenever you eat out, it's saltier than when you make it at home. I'm not heavy on salt, and I have a salt sensitivity where I can taste something if it's too salty. So what other questions do we have? What else? Paula, refresh my memory. What state are you in, huh? What else do we have? I see we got quite a few people here. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I'm giving y'all time to type your questions, type your comments. Anything about the $27 mentorship you want to know? But everything is really self-explanatory. So sometimes people say, well, can I call you? You ain't got to call me. Just sign on up and come on to them live sessions and let's get started. We've been talking long enough. A lot of y'all been watching us for like 3-4 years. Oh, Indiana. Okay, cool. I got people in Indiana. Yeah. Actually, look, this is Indiana for you. I don't know if you already got this book or not. Boom, Indiana. Not that often you see people from Indiana here. Yeah, but anyway, my family is in New Albany. I have family in New Albany, Indiana. And, Kentucky is right there. So my dad actually spent time in Kentucky too. So, yeah. Hey, Tiana, how are you? Atlanta in the house. Tiana, are you a notary already? Or are you thinking about it? Where are you in your journey? Because around here we do what, guys? We notarize like a pro. That's what we do. Notary educators. We notarize like a pro. Notarize like a pro. That's what we do. Yeah. Tiana. Yes, I'm a notary. Cool, cool. Are you actually working? Or are you thinking about it? Like in the sense of like you have a full blown business, you just got started. Where are you in the journey?